Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Tawqir Abid speaking from the floor of ISET Academy. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Respectable audience, I want to speak over the topic which is the greatest one, and the topic is Eid Miladun Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. जिसकी आमद पे नूर आया, जिसकी आमद पे नूर आया, हर बेकरार को सरूर आया। तजल्ली के तालिब थे सब मगर, तजल्ली के तालिब थे सब मगर, जो खुद बन के तूर आया। खुदा की रोशन दलील है जो, खुदा की रोशन दलील है जो, रहमत का बन के ज़हूर आया। Although it is not possible for me to relate about the arrival of Sarkar do Alam sallallahu alaihi wasallam in this world, yet I shall try to submit my humble little effort. जब ज़ुबां पे मोहम्मद का नाम आ गया, जब ज़ुबां पे मोहम्मद का नाम आ गया, आसमां से दरूदो सलाम आ गया। रब की रहमत का जब भी जिक्र हुआ, हाथ में सिर्रे वहदत का जाम आ गया, और जिसका नामा है सब नामों से अफजल, और सब इमामों का बन के इमाम आ गया। The story was started 1400 years ago when the month of Rabiul Awwal proved itself such a month which was full of blessings. God took pity on his creation, so he wanted to support the misguided. He liked to help the downtrodden, and he desired to show them the right path. Therefore, he decided to send his beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the earth. What a moment that would be, what a sight that would be, and what a feelings that would be. Nobody could imagine, in fact. That was the time of early morning, and the day was Monday, when Aqae-Do Jahan, the prophet of all prophets, the kind of all kind people, and the unique in all universe, opened his eyes, and there was the flood of light all around. यूं चश्मे मुस्तफ़ा ने कौनों मकां को देखा, यूं चश्मे मुस्तफ़ा ने कौनों मकां को देखा, गोया के रहमतों ने तब दो जहां को देखा। बिखरा वो यूं लहक के हर सिमत में उजाला, बिखरा वो यूं लहक के हर सिमत में उजाला, रहमत की उस नजर ने जब आसमां को देखा। The arrival of our holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam indicated the vital change, and eventually the time came when all over the Arab territory the light of Islam spread. The manifestation of our holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had a great force in it. The pressure of darkness was collapsed, the ignorance of illiteracy was broken off, and the shadows of cruelty were over. Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam shone as a light of guidance to all mankind. He brought the message of oneness of Allah. He brought the message of his last prophethood. He brought the message of equality among whole humanity, and he brought the message of life hereafter. ईमान मिला उनके सदके, कुरान मिला उनके सदके, रहमान मिला उनके सदके, वो क्या है जो हमने पाया नहीं। उस मोहसन आजम के तो यूं खालिद पे हजारों एहसान हैं, उस मोहसन आजम के तो यूं खालिद पे हजारों एहसान हैं, कुर्बान मगर उस एहसान के, एहसान भी किया तो जताया नहीं। At the end, I want to say that today it's the time of hustle and bustle. Every person is running after worldly comforts. We have forgotten the right path towards our real destination, the destination which is told by Allah and the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the destination which can only direct us towards the heaven. May Allah bless our heart with true faith. Ameen.